Okay, we got a 2018 Isuzu MPR truck. We end up installing the Excalibur 1670. To arm the alarm, you're going to hit lock, locks your doors. Disarm it, you're going to hit unlock, unlocks your doors. This one came with power locks. It's a beauty. Okay, it's a work landscaping truck. Basically, what we end up doing is installing the Excalibur 1670 with the Linkr module, so when the alarm fires off, he'll get the text alert that the alarm's going off. It has GPS, and from the app he can arm and disarm it, because he's going to leave it at a yard, so he wanted to make sure that you know, if something happens, that the alarm fires off, he wants to be able to get the alert anyway that he's at inside the United States. Sometimes you can be out of the country. It depends on the cellular coverage that you have. You'll still be able to get the alert. Basically, I'm going to go ahead and bang on the glass, fire off the alarm. Go ahead and disarm the alarm. The customer had to go, so I don't have his phone to illustrate the text alert. But you know, when the alarm fires off, you'll get the text alert. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. The alarm is gonna trip. Car won't start. I'm gonna go ahead and disarm the alarm, and the car will crank right up. Okay. It's got an antenna here in the corner that that gives you the range that you can arm and disarm the alarm. Also has a valet button on the dash, so if the alarm fires off, you can just turn the key in ignition and press that button, and that will disable the alarm system. It comes with a blue LED. It comes with 2 remote controls. This is on the 2018 Isuzu MPR. The numbers are 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video. This is Auto Alarm Specialist.